So let me ask you a question. With the whole COVID thing I go on now, I can sell off all them chicken before. Yes, sir. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So we're in the evening now and yeah, you don't know Jamaican roads, all them bad and bumpy and chilling around for us running on every single part of what exists.
Why you say that?
So we're on the search to find this Red Hills Road jerk strip. Everybody has a different location of the strip. Some persons say a little bit higher up, some people say a little bit lower. Yeah, it is what it is. We're not trying to find some tonight. And yeah, I guess I can compare my jerk compared to that one. I mean, it's gonna be kind of an unfair thing, but yeah, I don't like comparing my own food really, but yeah, that's gonna be the vibe. Maybe one day I can let Jillian try my jerk chicken and then it could be more of a fair comparison.
Yeah, I'll tell you the truth.
Yeah. Alright, so mad anyway. We're still on the way and think.
That's good for the island. That's Red Hills Mall. So we are going on to Red Hills Road now from Whitetown. This is where I think the jerk place is. Let's see. So let me see. It's on the right hand side.
I've had jerk up here probably like twice, but like, yeah. I don't see what the rave is about, to be honest.
It's only one person people normally say is like
the boss.
The boss. I think your name is Shaggy.
Shaggy?
Always pop up.
Ah,
I'm not
okay.
sure, this would be the strip for me.
Yeah, I've had it from
so this guy here is the boss guy.
Shaggy.
Yes, they say.
Alright.
Alright, so we're gonna park. You wanna stop here? Alright, let's talk. And then we can see.
So you guys might be able to see, well probably not, but there's at least about 7 people just turned off and things, isn't it?
What? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. No, we're not ready. We soon tell you. Me see I got some myself.
Chicken vibes, man.
Alright.
What are you doing? Alright, so let's head out there and hopefully this food is worth it because them say Shaggy are the boss, so you see me? Alright, so the guy that stopped us, he was saying, yo, so I'll give each person a support. So I'll give Shaggy a support and give him a support.
Alright, so we can take.
So we're gonna try something from you, isn't it?
Alright, no problem. I'm going to do that.
You see me? So realize the boss them line off and chicken just a run. This is Jamaican jerk chicken. So it's pretty. You understand? Ready as roll pan chicken. And you don't know, everybody wants a support car. You know, I think it's already. So there's a line of people set off there, so but smells good. It looks good too. Yeah, so the seasoning stuff. Yeah. So you see that's our original chopping block here, so. Yeah man, whole heap of chicken get chopped on that. So now in Jamaica, them serve it with chicken juice, pepper, ketchup. Yeah, come on. Oh no, you don't have a regular, you don't have a jerk pepper, no?
No, I don't say stuff with pepper. This is in the jail.
Oh, run it man.
Alright.
But not too much. The ketchup.
White bread or brown bread?
What you want?
White bread.
White bread?
Yeah.
Alright. So your jerk pan have a specific name, people can forward and look on it? No?
Yeah man, Anthony and Roger Jerk Center. Jerk
Okay,
spot.
so
Jerk
Anthony
spot.
and Rogers
Antoine
jerk.
and Roger Jerk spot.
Antoine and Rogers jerk spot.
Yes.
You understand? Alright. You ready for taste? Someone taste it on. Make we know what go on.
Yeah.
You know you're craving when food make you dance.
Yeah, facts.
I want to eat this. I want to have the look on the season.
on in your mouth, I get one up.
Alright, make it cool a little bit. Hold on. You want bites yourself?
Good? Vibes.
I'm trying things off.
Yeah, man. That was vibes.
Yeah, good.
Mm-hmm.
Well, she's not. Yeah, actually good.
Oh, no.
I don't know.
I will watch a video on a good trick. You have a good job. Well, if you enjoy it, I mean, say, pretty decent.
No.
Chicken is seasoned properly. But there's a difference though. There's really a difference between jerk chicken and pan chicken.
Yeah.
So what the content is more like a pan chicken style.
I want to eat a piece here, but I don't want to look crazy. I know it's like a bun meat.
Yeah,
It's
man,
like a bun meat.
yeah,
It's like a
man.
bun meat. It's hot.
It's hot. Good.
Antoine, chicken bad.
Have a buzz. And I said for the jerk chicken $5.50, right?
Yeah,
for a quarter. And then you not charge more for breast and wing. Same price, same way. See already people charge you more for breast and wing already, you know, because then says that more meat. They're bigger. That same price, same way, vibes.
When you blend it out, it come out to
So you prepare the seasoning that way?
it's cut chopped up. Like, really
Blessings, you
small,
know? So you prepare them stuff the seasoning
Yeah,
inside that way?
yeah, it
Okay.
more, you get more flavor.
Get more flavor from it. Jilly, I'm not gonna lie, I got in pan the chicken, you even asked me if I need a little piece or not. I have to beg a while ago, you know. I'm joking, I'm joking. I say if you enjoy food, man, enjoy it, man.
It's good, it's really good.
Have a vibe, have a real
Actually
vibe.
impressed. Not too salty.
You impressed about it?
Yeah. It's
Nice.
seasoned up just right and it actually cook. Because sometimes you buy chicken
Yeah,
and
it's
it
true.
don't cook right through, you know?
It's true, it's true.
Alright, for redness too. I don't like that at all. So,
I'm not gonna lie, chicken them look pretty. How long you had jerk chicken for now?
That was around 8 years.
8 years.
But they are from there
15.
I'm gonna get kicked from school and I go back to school.
oh, you just come out there, so you half your find a spot out here?
One more day I said I with the bus.
The other guy?
Yeah,
Oh.
I bring me night till me end up on one, till me end up start work back up there.
This a chicken go on good, so it's extras.
School I'm a general man, grateful.
More support, you see me?
School I'm a general man.
When I come here, I come by. But I always go down there, so. But, you know, because I get some volume in my people,
You are going now.
but when I tell you a lie.
You are going now. Yes, so it first started.
Original.
Yeah,
That's
so,
why I'm
and then when time people come out and then to the crowd,
Them
and then
just-
buy
yeah,
from
yeah,
them,
them sorry,
just
most
look
yeah.
at regular people crowd there on me.
Oh.
The man must stop them, they must start him. They know Jamaica is over. They want to know where you at. When people stop the road, where you at. That's the kind of thing.
So, the boss just mentioned something I never thought about a while ago, which is when you find a popular spot like this with jerk and stuff, the man who is the original will always get the most support, and the others have to really struggle to pull in 1 or 2 customers every now and again. We decided to give him a chance a while ago. We tried it a while ago, and I won't lie, I have no complaints. It was pretty good. So anyway, we're gonna try the original, who them say is Shaggy, who normally have a crowd of people, a line of people right there. So you see me? Of course, COVID time, so it's not as packed as one time. But we're gonna check out the food and see if it tastes different.
Take care.
Sticky, one whole of food.
Take care.
Sticky, one whole of food. One leg.
One leg,
Yeah, how much is that?
600.
600. Thank you. Alright, you ready? You like you have on a beard.
No, I don't want to look for that. That's not the look I'm going for.
Alright, here we go.
Alright. I'm going to taste the leg. Because that's what I... Okay, it's not as hot as the other one.
other
It's
one,
not
yeah.
hot. No.
Oh my god. Yeah, time.
I'm gonna take one more bite.
I'm sure everybody's in like suspense right now. We're just like, yo, when will we know?
It's alright. It not taste bad. The other one more seasoned and have more flavor to it.
Yeah, I mean, when I was from, I saw him pull it out from there, so I was kind of like,
It's not very hot. It not
Yeah.
seem like it just come off of the out of the jerk, the pan, the drum
Gotcha.
pan, and it not taste as the seasoning not as
Alright.
soaked as the
I
other
need
one.
to try a piece
Try
of
it
this.
and see.
Yeah.
But I want it well soaked.
Yeah, you're right.
You know, the other one soaked to the bone. It's just nice.
You're right.
I mean, you can see the seasoning, but you can see so you never soak for
Yeah.
a very long time.
Yeah, you're right.
Antoine and Roger for the win.
I really talk.
Them guy there, them chicken bad. You guys need to check them out.
Yeah.
Give them some support, because, you know.
I think I might buy another one from them. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, to be quite honest, when I think about jerk chicken, you definitely want it needs to be hot. That's the first thing. You see me, I want the chicken to be hot, you see me, have flavor. And guess what? We are get Antoine them another support because chicken have a buzz. It have a buzz, but not gonna lie. It well soak it, well seasoned out and whatever. Not trying to be biased, it's just my opinion. It is also Jillian's opinion. Yeah, I rate it.
Well, I tell me something. Our YouTube channel.
What my channel name?
Yeah.
SOAI and then vlogs. Yeah man. So Antoine there, so this is how them do it. They just drop it into the bucket and season it up and everybody down.
Cooler man,
Yeah man. So let me ask you a question. With the whole COVID thing I go on now, I can sell off all them chicken out before.
Yes, sir.
What you say?
When they come on to us, so I find it to type of food. Me there before the man, tell the man before me and.
Oh, when you reach on 7:30 time.
Yeah, when we touch on like 8 o'clock bells.
Yeah.
I want people who are the food.
Oh, that makes sense.
Some more time I just like done to a certain time. I'm a time, but I would
The hectic, yeah. That money chicken have a vibe, man. Have a nice vibes. Eh? Yeah, pepper and ketchup same way, man. So you don't know, you see the traffic will build up, and it's still, as again, it's COVID, it's during the whole pandemic and whatever, and yeah. But then there was a lot more people probably see at this time already waiting for food and stuff. And some other people did ask me for show support, to be honest, a while ago. Yeah, but me really don't want to take another L. Like I want, you see me? I want to kill her. What, yo, you see that? Yo, the man have the chicken thing and the grill catch that, a bad thing. Yo, it's a vibe. Yo, it's really hot. Really hot.
Lava.
Lava. I know, good to see you them out here do them things same way. So you say out there for a little while and you just learn the thing, learn the trade.
No, I'm not like there and come on. I'm not like that cheer and thing, you know?
Yeah.
I'm not like there and him say, if you want that bird or nothing.
Yeah.
Just get it feel if you want. And look at things for pretending to the.
You just go around and help.
But now I'm there and help until one night. I don't know some at time and say, yo, all I'm going to get from like, what will I fight? I'm going to just take off.
So you go all asleep and you
Yeah,
just
I'm just
go up on the grill and just
Yeah, but I'm just
mash it
stuff.
up. Yo, it's a vibes. It's a vibes because it's not easy if you manage that griller. If the grill get too hot, the food burn up. If it's too low, it's raw. So, yeah, man, you have to know where you are, man. If you see your cut for that, is the wicked things. Anyway, we're going to pay for this really quick. Another one and then. Yeah, so I'm going to take that home so I can have that to eat. But I want to support somebody else. But. You have it? Alright, so we're going to try someone else's jerk chicken. So that's how much we buy today. 2, 3. This is going to be the 4th one. Hopefully, the boss own can wicked too. Vibes. Alright, so we're there for another one. Leg and thigh, same way. What do you say up on the grill? Fat? Oh, people eat that special?
No, keep the fire alive. Make the phone hot.
Oh,
Really?
boy, I think we have so much cheese for me now, no.
Pepper and ketchup?
Yes, please, pepper and ketchup. How much is that one? How much is that? 550 same way. Alright, so it seems like your price point. How much you pay if you don't a shaggies out of it? 600. So the other bars them have for them a little bit cheaper. You see me, so far it's been, I would say, better. Try this one and see.
I want a hot too, man.
That one hot, that's what we want. You buy street food, they want it fresh, you need it to be hot.
Now you look like a thing of a bus too.
It have a buzz too. Hot. Nice. Hot. Julian.
Come on, I'm hungry.
Yeah, try to share your jerk chicken. Oh my god.
I'm trying to rather still window.
And then what just still been saying, yeah man. You can see me try a piece. You can share some of the food, no, Jim?
I know, I'm so greedy.
It's hot, man.
It's really hot.
Really?
I'm not gonna bring it down.
Come on. Oh. Here's a dog.
I have the bone on top.
Get the bone? Okay. That one season good though.
Yeah.
Season good. Come on. Yeah?
So I'm see the bone on there. Look here, I'm not here. Vanilla. Let's see one bone as
Good. Ready?
Yeah.
Right. I want to try a natural juice though. As a last thing. Try some natural juice from him lock up. Oh no. No. So we're getting some I getting cane juice because I love cane juice, and Jillian is getting June plum. So I think that's gonna seal off everything that we're having today. I think the juice is supposed to top up everything.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, it's cane juice, thank you.
No sugar.
Ah man, keep it change. Keep it change. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Alright, so cane juice.
You must try the feet.
Next time we are pass. Alright, no problem. So get the cane juice and thing. Excited about that because I love cane juice. Yo Jill, I want to sit down here and eat like a jerk chicken, you know. Yeah man, vibes. Well played. Crime scene. Thank you. So me personally like them kind of liquor vibes here. Just going, getting some street food, trying it, the different type of stuff them have out here. Oh, it's good. There's something kind of like probably like a ginger or something in there which I appreciate. So, just to kind of clarify, there's a difference between jerk chicken and pan chicken. Complete difference, jerk chicken and pan chicken. Pan chicken is more about just a smoky flavor that you're getting from whatever is in me. I don't think it have that.
They don't use
That-
jerk seasoning.
That like the pimento
Pimento.
and that type of woody kind of flavor that you get more from a jerk. So that's kind of like the difference, which kind of makes sense because jerk economically, if you want to make so much of it, I mean, it takes time. It literally takes time
And
to
money.
marinate it. Time and money to make a really good jerk. the things that I look forward to when I'm eating street food like that, I don't want cold food. You see me? Like the food is cold, it kind of turn you off or whatever. Especially coming from a hot pan, expect the food to be hot. So I think Antoine and Roger did a fantastic job not being the more celebrated of whatever. What I'm happy is that even though you saw so much chicken on the pan, as I said when it got to 7:30, it is going to be ram-packed. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy videos like these, because honestly, I don't want to always go to the woods to cook all the time. I'm itching for an adventure. If you guys want like an adventure vlog, I'm itching to do one of those. Drop it in the comments and say, yo, run an adventure vlog, and I'll do it. But for now, hit up some really cool street food spots. If you never caught the last video where we did the whole patties and whatever, that was epic. Go check it out. Jill, what do you think? Which one did you prefer? Which one is more interesting to the... Was it the jerk or was it the patties on the last video?
I like both of them.
I like both of them?
Yeah, because the patties were good. For patty win, but it was nice here. Different environment. Yeah. Anton and Roger, check them out.
Yeah, definitely check them out. Really
Right.
great story of how he started doing jerk chicken as a young youth and get a chance and whatever, and being positive. We love Jamaicans like that. Anyway, remember 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.